Nope.
She wants it, but she keeps pushing it out. Free game.
She keeps pushing it away.
She wants it though.
She still got the hiccups.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give me that. Give me that. There we go. Oh yeah.
She's trying.
Told you she wanted it.
She's trying to hold it in, but she can't because she has the hiccups.